Let's talk about the non-plant, non-vegetable sources of vitamin C. And there definitely are some. Typically, when people think vitamin C, they think citrus or bell peppers, sauerkraut, leafy greens, spinach, parsley, strawberries, or other berries, and cabbage. But there are other food sources of vitamin C as well. Certain organ meats like liver. Whale skin also has vitamin C. So the next time you get a craving for whale skin, now you know it's loaded with vitamin C. Oysters have a good amount of vitamin C. Brain, okay? So I know a lot of you out there consume brain on a regular basis, so now you know you're getting your vitamin C. Now, as far as meat goes, there's some conflicting data. Certain types of meats may have vitamin C, some may not, but if you overcook the meat, you destroy the vitamin C. So you'd probably want to have some meat on the rare side to get the benefits of vitamin C. And lastly, probably your favorite seal meat. If you have it slightly sauteed or fried in butter, you'll get some good vitamin C. Or seal liver. So there you have it, other sources of vitamin C. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar,
Totally keto.
there's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this
I
out.
think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple.
We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.